My name's Susanna. Welcome to our pool. We built this many years ago for the enjoyment of our little children and our family and friends. It was a decision of the pool builder to recommend Grander Water, and we were skeptical, but doing plenty of research and looking at the different materials provided to us, it won our vote. So we installed the Grander Water system. But the real surprise came when we actually were able to use the swimming pool, where my 3 children, who each have eczema, didn't suffer from the harshness of the water. The water seemed to almost heal their red and their raw and their rash-laden skin. Swimming in a Grander Water swimming pool, it's not like swimming in any other swimming pool. I grew up with a saltwater swimming pool in just west of Brisbane. My parents were constantly doing upkeep on the swimming pool, and we were constantly swimming with stinging eyes and skin that felt raw. We felt like our hair smelled of chlorine, even though it was the lesser chlorine alternative at the time. Swimming in this pool, those problems don't exist. Swimming in the water feels like you're swimming in jelly. It's soft on your skin, there's no odor, there's no taste. You come out feeling like you've had a dip in a natural water spring. And I think that speaks volumes to the people who developed Grander Water and who found Grander Water and the benefits and the method in which we can incorporate this into our daily life. I think it's a blessing that we have it in our swimming pool, and I'm definitely recommending it to my clients and considering adding it to our house as well, because as a mother of 3 young children, the last thing I want is for my children to be covered in chemicals, as most parents and people are. I will go to the extent of adding a system that's simple to install, like the Grander Water system, to improve the quality of our water and the quality of our life. Further to the system was the service that we received from Grander Water. I have dealt with numerous builders, numerous trades, numerous service providers, numerous suppliers, and not a single one can outdo the service provided to us by Wayne. It took a single phone call, and I felt that even though I must be one of many customers, that he would turn the world upside down to help us. Whether it was checking in after hours by a friendly phone call, whether it was calling in and remembering that he had asked for a water test to be done, calling in that weekend, or when he comes back from his family holiday, just to say, how's the pool going? And let's look at this instead. There was never a mention of, and that's going to be $65 an hour for my advice, for my consultation. It wasn't money driven. It's just purely good heart and good serviceship. And that is so incredibly rare. So not only do you sign up for a service or a product which will improve your life in a tangible manner, in a physical manner, but you're also affiliating yourself with a company who practice what they preach, who are true and are good-hearted people. Good-hearted people don't create phony products. And I think that the experience of the Grander Water system and the experience with Wayne from Grander Water, experiencing the Grander Water product and the Grander Water service, it's really a testimony to them as a company and to their honest promises. My 3 children, who all have a certain degree of eczema or skin sensitivity, even for myself, it's largely beneficial to have the Grander Water system. Not only do we feel the softness of the water while swimming inside, where there's no irritation, there's no stinging, it's like swimming in jelly. We also feel the benefit when we come out of the swimming pool, where we feel like our skin has been moisturized, nourished, hydrated. It's almost like going to a spa retreat or having a special session just by hopping in the pool and coming out feeling rejuvenated.